Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-41, the boiler whistle lever bracket for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, let's go Top View, Sketch. We're going to do a box first. And that is 6. Yeah, 6. That's 6 that way. And 16 this way. 6. Thank you. Not 64. Come back there. Come back there. Thank you. Okay, so now we want to go. We want circumference. So before we go first, go to. Let's put a construction line in. That's going to be 14. 14, there we go. And then we've got a raise of 8. So we do a, let's see, a 0.1 on there. Go out, go around, join up. Now it's going to be a raise, oh, sorry. On smart dimension exit, and that's going to be a raise of 8. That should line up with them, perfect. Now it should be the center point. So if we go up, we go center point there to there, should be 8 as well. There we go. We got that one in place. You put this line to there. I think I missed the point, but I'll fix up in a minute. There we go. Yeah, that line. So this point and this point should be merged. There we go. And I'm just going to transfer that one into construction line. And why that did not. Interesting. Why is that not closed in? Oh, hold on. That's construction. Yeah, construction, yeah. Okay. Why is not closed in? Nope, that's connected. Show everything there. You know what? Let me just delete that. There you go, that's weird. For some reason didn't close in because that in those construction line. Okay, so that's good. We got that. Now we want another circle, which is going to be the same spot as that one. That's going to be 10 mil diameter. 10. There we go. And that's going to be total thickness of 6. So there. Going to go mid-plane. Don't think it makes a big difference. 6. And done. Did I do the top? Oh, I did side, front. Oh, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yeah, that should have been top. That's fine. Still works out the same. Let me just do that again for the brown. No, the other way. There we go. Okay, so now we want this here to be sketch. Now we want this rectangle, corner rectangle now, from there to there. Now 3 sides should be confirmed. Fourth one is not, because it's I haven't put thickness yet, which is going to be 6. 6, there we go. That's going to be a height of 10. That should be good. There we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, so now we need to put a hole through there, which I'm going to do the hole first, but we need to slot down there first. So I'm going to do the hole first. You can do either way. You can do either way, really. But we're going to do normal 2, sketch, hole, which is going to be 3 mils. Now make sure it doesn't click in there. Just make sure it doesn't click to anything. That way you don't lock it in accidentally. Okay, so that's going to be 3 mil, I said? Yep, 3 mil there. That's going to be from this end to that center. It's going to be 3 mil. And from the bottom, from here to there, it's going to be 12. That's going to be feature, through cut, through all, and done. Oh, I think I might have missed through all. I did. Through all. Thank you. And done. There we go. Okay, so let's do this one here, the back section, which is normal 2. Actually, let's go to the front section. Normal 2. Now I can see which one I'm going. Sketch. Click outside down highlight. Now we want to go down. We want square. Same square. That's perfect. That'll do. Now it's going to be from this side to this edge is going to be 6.5. From this edge to this edge is going to be 6.5. It's going to be a depth of 10. 10. Perfect. Lines up there beautifully. And that should be cut through. So feature, extrude, through all, and done. That's good. Now we need a thread here, which is going to be M10. So hole, thread, where are we? Here we go. Go towards the top, M10 1.25. Actually, before you do, stop, cancel that. Click on that one. Plane. 5 mil, that sounds good. Let's do this thread again. Did that keep that one I had in there? No, it didn't. That's what I thought. That's fine. 10 by 1.25. They show it twice. 12 there, okay. Thought it showed twice for some reason. Okay, so first circle there, done. The plane, done. I could have done this plane here, actually. So I didn't even put that plane. I could have done the surface, sorry. But that's fine, works. Now we go down, trim, and cut. And you got the wrong one. Through. There we go. That thread's done. Now we want to go to fillet. Try 2, see what that looks like. I don't want that. Not that one. Nope. 0.5. That's better. And just do all the corners. That's there, done. Done. You can do the surface too, but wrong corner, but I need to do that one anyway. You could do the surface, you could do the whole lot, but sometimes I just like to do an edge, that way I know I'm not getting one, so I don't have to get. Okay, that's done there, beautiful. That's done there. Do this back edge before I forget. That edge. That edge. Nope, not. Thank you. Oh, missed one. And that one. Hopefully I missed one. There we go. So it should be no end finishing anywhere. Looks like everything. So that's done. Hide that plane. Beautiful. Now there's no thread in that one. No, it's just a hole. There's no thread in that, so that's cool. Alright, that's part 3-41. The boiler whistle lever bracket done for the Clayton Undertype theme wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Hope you learned something you think I can benefit from or learn. I'm willing to listen, so any ideas, pop in comments below. Thanks again for everyone's support. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.